Yes. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, all are present. Still some people are joining. Okay, don't worry. So now what we will do? Yesterday in the last class we have started with the next chapter, that is chapter number 4. Is the screen visible to everyone with full screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
No.
So, yes. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So in the last class we have started with the center of gravity and moment of inertia. Correct? So what all we have studied, we'll check. So we have checked the center of what is center of gravity and what is centroid. So center of gravity is applicable to which type of figure? Whether the solid bodies or plane bodies?
Solid body.
Solid bodies. Centroid is applicable to which type of figure?
Body.
It is for
Plane.
plane bodies. Okay. So what is the center of gravity? So I have taken one more. Okay. So it is there. I have written here. Center of gravity is the point through which the whole weight of the body is act at the center. It is denoted by G or CG. What does centroid means? The point at which the total area of the plane figure is assumed to be concentrated. Okay, कौन सा भी एक body है. Okay, this is a plane figure. इसका area is acting at this point. Okay, it means this is a centroid. Okay, so you have studied what is the difference between the center of gravity and centroid. Okay, you have studied what is the difference between the center of gravity and centroid. Next, we have taken what is reference axis, okay, and what is the symmetrical axis and what is the centroidal axis. Okay, just now I am written. Okay, what I have written? Axis of reference. It means whenever a plane figure is given, we have to determine its centroid. Correct? So, with respect to which axis you are denoting, you are calculating, those axes are called as x-axis and y-axis. Those are called as axis of reference. So in this figure, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So its centroid is, this is the centroid of this rectangle. So I am denoting this centroid with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Hence, these axes are called as reference axis. X-axis and y-axis are called as reference axis. So the definition goes like this. These are the axes with respect to which the centroid of the given figure is determined. Okay, ये एक फिगर है ना, इसका centroid हमने locate किया. कहाँ से? That these axes, those axes are called as axis of reference or reference axis भी बोल सकते हैं आप. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more definition we have learned in the extra day. So what is that one? That is centroidal axis. Centroidal axis. So what is this centroidal axis means? It is the axis through which are passing through the centroid of the figure. So if I take one figure, okay, so this is the figure. Okay, so its the center will be at the. So this is the center of this figure. Okay, so I am drawing the axis. I am drawing the axis which are passing through the center. I am drawing this. Okay, this is the axis, and one more is this is the axis. Okay, so this axis are called as, this is x dash and this is x dash and this is y dash y dash. Means the axis which are passing through the centroid of the figure is called as centroidal axis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can write these are I will upload this whatever notes I have written, okay, in the so just you can concentrate. These are the axis which passes tell me, which passes through
Center of the plane.
through a centroid, through a centroid of the given figure, of the given figure. Okay, so are you getting the difference between the axis of reference and centroidal axis? So axis
Yes.
of reference means
Yes, sir.
from the centroid of a plane figure is denoted or calculated with respect to some axis by referring some axis. Those axes are called as axis of reference. Centroidal axis is, these are the axes through which centroid is, these are the axes which are passing through the centroid, is called as centroidal axis. Okay, so there is one more definition. That is called as symmetrical axis. Symmetrical axis. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will draw a diagram. Okay, this is one diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. Now I will locate its centroid. Okay, I will locate, this is centroidal axis, and this is the centroidal axis. Okay, so now tell me, so this figure, is it symmetrical about x-axis? It means whenever you cut the axis, it should be same. So this is the centroidal, this is x-axis, and this is y. Okay, so I will cut about the x-axis. ऐसे मैंने fold किया तो, ऐसे fold किया तो, is it same about the x-axis?
No.
No. So
No.
about the x-axis, it is not symmetrical. So if I cut about the y-axis, I will fold like this. About y-axis. Is it same?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It means
Yes.
the axis which divide the whole figure into two equal parts is known as symmetrical axis. Okay, so what is the definition for the symmetrical axis? The axis which divide divides the whole figure into equal parts, is known as symmetrical axis. Okay, so this is symmetrical axis. So if at all, so when this figure or this section is symmetrical about which axis in the given figure, it is symmetrical about y axis. Hence your x bar will be equal to 0. If it is symmetrical about x axis, then your y bar will be equal to 0. So how it will be 0? We will check it in the example line. Okay, so I will write one note. If the section is symmetrical about the axis, about the x-axis, then x bar is equal to, can you tell me what is x bar and y bar formula? In the last class I have taken, what is x bar formula? Summation of area into
Upon
summation of
a. Then y bar is equal to
summation of a bar into y upon
a
summation of
into y divided by summation of
a.
Okay, so when if the section is symmetrical about the x-axis, then x bar is equal to summation of a into x divided by summation of a, and y bar is equal to 0. If at all, if the section is symmetrical about x-axis, about y-axis, then
Y bar is equals to summation a into
x bar is equal to 0, and and y bar is equal to summation of a into y divided by
upon
summation of
summation
a.
of A.
Okay, summation of a area, that is total area. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you, you have to be very careful about these 2 points. That is center of gravity, centroid, axis of reference, centroidal axis, and symmetrical axis. Okay, if the section is symmetrical about both the axes, then x bar and y bar will be equal to 0. If the section is symmetrical about any one of the axes, then you have to check it. If the section is symmetrical about x-axis, then y bar equal to 0. If the section is symmetrical about y-axis, then x bar is equal to 0. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the last class, we have studied what is the area. What is the area for the circle?
Pi
Pi by
square.
r square or pi d
Square
square
by
by
4.
4. Then triangle.
1
Half
upon 2 base
D.
the height.
D.
Yes, half base of height. So here we have seen, okay, there is a figure. Okay, this is one you have taken seen triangle ka area. Then you check the area for the semicircle pi r square by 2. Area for the quarter circle pi r square by 4. Area for the center, this is sector of a circle alpha into r square. Okay, आपको क्या क्या याद रखने का? Triangle is important, semicircle is important, and circle is also important. Circle is important, quarter circle
Rectangle.
and rectangle. Okay, rectangle is important. Okay, he has not given here. Rectangle with, and also you should know x bar and y bar. Okay, so by referring all these things, we will take one more problem and we will solve this. Okay, can you tell me what is the x bar and y bar for the rectangle? X bar and y bar for the rectangle.
B by 2 and y bar is equal to h by 2.
Yes, b by 2 and d by 2 or h by 2. Okay, however he has given the h or d. Okay, I will take one problem and we will solve that problem. Okay, all of you can just take the screenshot of these two. Just take down screenshot, all of you. You have to write these two in your notebook first and leave 2 page, that is front and back page, and afterwards you can write the problem. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take down this one, you can take down. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So can I go for next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you write down.
Yes.
All of you write down the question. Calculate or locate the centroid of the section. All of you write down. Locate the centroid of the section. Okay. So I will draw one section and I have to locate its centroid. Okay. So this is a section. I will take he has given its width. He has given its length. This is given. Here it is 20 mm. This is 120 mm. This is 20 mm. This is 100 mm, 120 mm. Okay. So this is the given figure. So in the exam, in the offline paper, this will be for 4 or 5 marks. Okay. So what is my first point? What I have to do? I have to draw the reference axis. Reference axis. So in the last class, I have explained you. Reference axis always should be written at the bottommost point and the leftmost point. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will draw one bottommost line. Okay. So this is the bottommost line. This is bottommost line, and I will draw one more axis, that is leftmost point. So this is leftmost point. So now this is x. This is xx. Okay. This is xx and this is yy. means these are the reference axis I am drawing. Okay, so you know that if the section is plane, okay, standard section, this is standard section. Which type of section it is? Which type of section? It is rectangular section. So what is the side is B and height is D. Okay, so x bar means along the horizontal axis, its center will be at the D by 2 along y bar. So y bar means y direction, its center will be at the D by 2, correct? Okay, now
Yes,
is
sir.
it only standard figure, standard section hai kya?
No, sir.
No, it is made up of two different sections. Either it may be rectangle, or it may be triangle, or it may be circle or quarter circle and all. It is made up of two different materials, two different sections. Now it is called as composite section. Okay, so how to determine the centroid of the composite section? That is my task. So what I will do, I will divide this entire composite section into different simple sections. What are my simple sections? Either it may be triangle, circle, quarter circle, or rectangle. So this is, I will divide. So I will divide, this section is 1. I will take this section is 1 and I will take this section is 2. Okay, is it okay everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I will try it. So first of all, I will calculate the individual area, individual x1, y1, individual x2, y2. Later on, I will go with the standard formula. So for solution for rectangle 1, or you can call it as section 1 also, you can call. Okay, I will write rectangle only because it is rectangle. For rectangle 1, okay, what is the area? I will take area is equal to A1. Okay, I will take small area. Okay, small letter. I will take small letter. A1 is equal to. Can you tell me what is the area for the rectangle? Area is equal to B into D. Okay, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So here I will take area is equal to B into D. So what is the breadth of the first section? How much it is? 20. What is the
20.
depth? Depth is how much it is?
120.
120. It is equal to, total is how much it is?
2400.
2400? Yes, 2400. What is the unit for area? Mm square.
Millimeters.
Okay, so next I want to write x1. X1 means centroid of the first section from the y-axis. Correct है everyone? So it's इसका center कहाँ रहता? इधर रहता. So this is centroid for the first section. I am telling for the first section. Okay, so and this is the center for the second section. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I want to calculate the x1 for the first one. So now by looking at the figure, can you tell me this total is how much? Total is how much? 120.
120.
So ये बीच में कितना है इधर?
20.
20. 120 minus 20 करो, कितना आ जाएगा?
100.
100 is, it is symmetrical. देखो इधर भी, इधर जितना है ना उधर इसी तरफ भी सेम है.
मतलब
100 divided by 2 करो, कितना आएगा?
50.
50. It means can I write this is 50, this is 50, and
Yes,
this is
sir.
20, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So what I will write? I will draw like this. Okay. So this is 20, 50, this is 50, and the remaining is 50. Okay. So I will remove this one. So this is 50. He has not given. I have identified this is 50 and this is 50. So I want to calculate this is my x1 point. So x1 I have to locate. This is x1. Okay. So this is x1. So now can you tell me what is x1? X1 is equal to 50. 50 plus how much it is total? It is 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. How much it is total answer is 60 mm. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then y1. What is y for the rectangle? It is d by 2. How much is the
D by
depth
2.
for the first section? Depth for the first section कितना है?
20
It is
meters.
120. So 120 divided by 2. Can I? Is it correct? 120 divided by 2.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 60 mm. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. क्या बोल?
डिवाइड 2 का केलं सर.
हाँ, इधर देखो. So rectangular का डेप्थ कितना है टोटल? D है. इसका सेंटर कितना रहता है, इधर रहता, कितना डिस्टेंस में रहता है इधर से इधर, d/2 रहता. दिस इज माय स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला है. बट ये टोटल सेक्शन 1 कितना है, टोटल 120 है, करेक्ट. 120 डिवाइड बाय 2 करने का 60 mm मींस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, फर्स्ट सेक्शन का फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, दिस इज योर y1, this is your y1. Is it understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will go for the second section. Yes, now you have to tell me, all of you concentrated the figure and tell me. So for rectangle 2, tell me rectangle 2 is this is okay. So what is the area? A2 is equal to, tell me, 120 into 20 2400 mm square, correct?
Yes,
Then
sir.
x2 is this is b/2. total इधर से इधर कितना है, 120 है. 120 divided by 2.
सर अभी की तरफ से मैं
Yes, 120 divided by 2, that is equal to 60 mm, correct. Then y2.
Yes.
Now my task is I want to determine y2. So consider only second plate. The centroid of this section is here, correct everyone? Okay, so y2 is the distance from the reference axis I want to determine. Where is my reference axis? So reference axis is, this is my reference axis, correct? So from here to here, how much it is? Here to here, how much it is? That is your my x,
130.
y2.
130.
So what I will do, I know from here to here how much it is. Total
120.
120. 120 plus 20 by 2, is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
120 plus 20 by 2. Everyone concentrate. How much it is? 130.
130.
130.
130.
So what I have done, I have taken each segment separate. I have calculated area x1, y1 for each segment, correct? So next, what is my task? I have to calculate centroid for the whole section. Whole section means x bar. X bar is equal to, what is the formula? Summation of a into x divided by summation of a. That is nothing but a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Substitute now. 2400, a1 is 24 into x1 is 60 plus a2 is also 2400 into x2 is 60 divided by total, that is 2400 plus 2400 area. So when you calculate this one, you will get the answer as 60. Is it correct answer? Correct, check karo. Answer you will get 60, all of you. Then y bar is equal to summation of a into y divided by summation of y. Sorry, a. It is a. That is equal to a1. Tell me what is formula? Yes, all of you. What is the formula? A1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So a1 is how much? 2400 plus into what is y1? Y1 कितना है? 60 plus 2400 into what is y2?
130.
130 divided by 2400 plus 2400. 2400. Okay, calculate how much answer you will get. I will check. All of you calculate.
$95. 95.
95 answer. Yes, very good. Correct. That is 95 mm. Okay, that is your answer. Is it understood, everyone? 95 is correct answer. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, this is how you have to do section.
सर
That is
वो
x bar.
सेक्शन का अगर हम ऊपर के पहले ले तो भी चलेगा ना सर?
Yes, yes, yes. You can take. Okay. मैंने क्या किया? X bar I have taken top bottommost line. You can take topmost line, but you will get this 95. You will not get at that time. At that time, what you will get with respect total कितना है देखो? Total 120 plus 20. 140 हो गया.
140
140 में 95 minus करो. 140 में 95 minus किया तो 45. You will get
45.
y bar is 45, but that 45 is with respect to topmost line.
वो हेड वाला.
Topmost line. Okay, so next you have to locate these 2 points. So how to locate this one? So see, x bar I have to locate. This is my reference y axis. I have to come from this point to this point. Okay, now what I will do, I will erase the inside lines. This line I will erase, this line I will erase, this line I will erase. Okay, so now I will draw it's a centroid in the figure. So how to draw that one? See, x bar कितना आया? 60 है ना? X bar is 60.
Yes, sir.
It means from this centroidal axis to this side. Total कितना है? 120 है. So इधर आ गया वो. इधर आ गया x bar. Then y bar from the bottommost line to the topmost. This is 95. This is 120 इधर तक है. So उससे कड़मे तो
140.
इधर तक आएगा. Okay, this is approximate I am writing. Okay, so these are the reference centroidal axis. These are centroidal axis. This is centroidal axis. Okay, so now you can write its name. That is, this is x dash, xx or x dash. This is y or y dash. Okay, you can write name, and this one is denoted by a letter G.
G.
Okay, now you can write this is from you can write it is here to here it is how much? It is 60. Okay, and here to here it is how much? It is 95. You can write like that also. Okay, so this is x bar, this is y bar. So now I will erase this one and this one. Okay, not necessary. Okay, okay, everyone, is it understood? किसी को डाउट है क्या?
सर फर्स्ट नीचे वाला लेना है क्या?
नहीं नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं. So whatever it is convenient to you, you can take it. You can take first this one and second this one. ऐसे भी कर सकते. Okay. Okay. So will you write this one? Okay, write on first. All of you. So just there is a procedure. Okay, you have to substitute. You should know formula. Okay, rectangle area x1 y1, circle ka next triangle ka. Okay, semicircle ka. You should know area x and x bar and y bar, so that it is easy for you to calculate. See, is it symmetrical about x axis or y axis?
Y axis.
Yes, yes, very good. So vertically, if you cut and if you merge 2 parts, the 2 parts will get coincide, correct? No, mirror image.
Yes, sir.
It means it is symmetrical about y axis. If it is symmetrical about y axis, which term is equal to 0?
X.
Which x bar is equal to 0. Okay, x bar is equal to 0. See, if instead of taking this reference axis, if you draw the directly symmetrical axis, then you can directly write it as x bar is equal to 0. It means this is how much? X bar 60. 60 minus 60, that is equal to 0. You will get. Okay, so or else you can there is a probability of asking the in the multiple choice is very high. So if the symmetrical about x axis, then y bar is equal to 0. If it is a symmetrical about y axis, then x bar is equal to 0. If they are symmetrical about both axes, then x bar and y bar will coincide at the centroid, that is equal to 0.
सर सेंट्रॉइड ना फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल में लेना है क्या?
अभी देखो सेंट्रॉइड आप पहले वन रेक्टेंगल लिया, इसका पहला कैलकुलेट करने का, देन सेकंड सेगमेंट सेकंड रेक्टेंगल है उसका भी लेने का. सो ऐसे में
के बाद शो करना है वहां.
हाँ यस, ईच वन को शो नहीं करने का, एंटायर कंपोजिट सेक्शन का शो करने का.
यस सर.
अभी
सर
देखो
मतलब
हाँ
नहीं मैं बाद में पूछता हूँ सर. हमने जहाँ पे मतलब हम यूडीएल में उसे कैसे पे हम भी वो सेपरेट करके उसका निकालते थे ना सर, उसका सेंटर में हम वो जहाँ पे बैलेंस करते हैं वैसे यहाँ
अभी
पर
देखो,
भी सर।
हाँ इसका सेपरेट भी कर सकते थे। मतलब ये रेक्टेंगल वन कैसे, ये रेक्टेंगल वन ऐसे है, ये रेक्टेंगल टू है, ऐसे रेक्टेंगल टू सेपरेट भी ले सकते हैं, बट इट इज लेंथी होता ना, इसके लिए हम डायरेक्टली इधर इधर से ले रहे।
ओके।
Is it completed, all of you? So I will go for another section.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
No, sir.
Okay, first take down. So that आपको और एक section दिखाते हैं। I will upload my notes also in the. I have uploaded the video and your unit 3 notes, unit 3 assignment also. Okay, I have given just 5-6 problems and theory. So just try down and submit it. See, we are having only 20 days. For 20 days में हम सभी class entire syllabus we need to complete. Correct?
सर वो तो सर एग्जाम सर बार बार हो रही है सर।
हाँ
मतलब बार बार ठीक है सर, लेकिन कंटिन्यू हो रही है सर, एक के बाद एक
एग्जाम है ना।
Yes, sir. अब ISC सेकंड है।
हाँ yes, ऐसे
परसों से सर आप
just you have to struggle 1 month. Okay, 1 month में सब खत्म हो जाएगा। Okay, you have to put your effort in this 1 month so that you will get a fruit. 1 month है, आराम से struggle करो। Yes, tomorrow I will take one extra class. All of you will you attend?
Yes, sir.
पर सिर्फ आपका है ना सर?
हाँ सिर्फ मेरा का है, मेरा का मैं बोल रहे हैं।
नहीं मतलब मुझे लगा कल छुट्टी है वो।
No, because मैंने अभी 4th chapter में है, total there are 8 units. Okay, tomorrow I will take
Yes,
from
sir.
9:30 to 1:30. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow I will try to finish this chapter. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
it is compulsory for all. Okay, because this is hard time. Okay, आपको ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल चाहिए तो मैंने लेके फुल समझा सर, नहीं तो ओनली लेक्चर में लेना है तो 1-2 प्रॉब्लम का लेके खत्म कर दूंगा, वैसे नहीं करने का ना। सो आई विल टेक मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, सो आई विल डिटेल इन डिटेल आई विल टेक एंड आई विल कंप्लीट टुमारो ओनली दिस एंटायर 4th chapter. Okay, so is it completed?
Yes, sir.
सर कल के लेक्चर
Today morning I have uploaded. Okay, कल का लेक्चर आज सुबह मैंने अपलोड किया. Okay, okay, so I will take one more example. So अभी मैंने T section लिया. Okay, T section का हो गया ना. T section means it was in the shape of T, ऐसे था ना. So अभी मैंने C section लेते. Just take it. All of you read on this.
सर जी लो ना सर जी।
ले लेंगे पहले स्टेप बाय स्टेप जंप करेंगे। Okay, G section will not be available in the market. You will have only T section, I section, L section and C section.
वो क्या ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है क्या सर?
नहीं ऐसे G section अवेलेबल नहीं रहता है।
सर जो सिमेट्री होगा वही आएगा।
हाँ सिमेट्रिकल रहने का, कभी-कभी सिमेट्रिकल भी नहीं रहते। Okay, this is one section, this is one section. Okay, all of you draw this one. Okay, so this is a section is given. So its bottom flange is 75 mm. Its top flange is 60 mm. 60 mm. It is 12 mm. Okay, this is 10 mm. 10 mm. Okay, and this is 10 mm. This is 10 mm. Okay. And this height, this height is from this point to this point. This height is here is given 60. Okay, this is given. This is given. This is written. This is written. This is written. And here taken this also. Okay, so this is 10 mm. This height will be given. It is 150. Okay. Total height is given. Total height is given. From here to here it is 120. Okay, 120 is given. 120 mm it is. 120 mm. Okay, this is a section. Okay, so first step is what I have to draw. Tell me. First, what I have to draw.
Axis.
X-axis and y-axis. Reference axis I have to draw. Okay, so this is reference axis, bottommost line and leftmost line. Okay, so this is reference axis. Reference axis I have drawn. So I will note this is x-x and this is y-y line. Okay, y-y line. Okay, so this C section is made up of which? How many plates? How many segments? 3. So top one, bottom, this is one. Okay, so in the previous example, I have taken bottommost is first, topmost is second. Okay, so in this problem, I will take this is first one. Okay, so however, you can take anything. I will take this section is second one. I will take this section is third one. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I will take this is a rectangle, one complete rectangle it is. I will take this is one complete rectangle. Section, first section. Third section is also I will take one complete rectangle. This is complete rectangle. So third section is also complete rectangle. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first I will write. Tell me. First section 1. So first solution. So section 1. Section 1. Tell me. What is the area for the section 1? Area for section 1. Area is which type of it is it rectangle or circle? Rectangle. So what is the rectangle area? B into D. What is the B? 60 into 12. 720?
Yes.
Okay, 720 mm square. Next, x1. Now tell me, what is the x1? X1 is the CG of this first section from the y reference axis, correct? So total along x direction, how much it is?
60.
60 divided by 2. 60 by 2. That is equal to 30 mm. Then y1 is the CG of the first section from the bottommost reference axis. So bottommost is this is it. From this to this CG is how much? So see, the total height is how much it is? Total height is how much?
120.
120 minus 120 is total height. 120 is total height. Minus top flange ka minus karo. Minus bottom flange ka minus karo. So how much you will get? This is 8. This is 98. So this is 0. So this is 98 total. So this is no, it is not a 120. It is 150. It is 150. It is 150. Okay. So 158. This is 128. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is 128 mm. Okay. Now I will calculate y1. Yes. Now you have to tell me. So y1 is equal to y1 is so from the reference axis to till the CG of this one. Okay, in a y direction. Okay. Tell me. This is how much? Bottom flange 10.
10.
Plus from this point to this point is how much?
6.
128 plus. So this is total is how much it is? 12 mm. 12 mm divided by 2. 12 by 2.
6.
12 by 2. It is 6. So total how much you will get? You will get it is 144. 144 mm. Or ICB लिख सकते. Total is how much? From this point to this point, total depth.
150.
150. Okay, it is 150 is total minus from the top b by 2 karo, d by 2 karo. So total is how much? 12 minus 12 divided by 2 12 by 2 karo 6 150 minus 6 is 144. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. You can calculate from the top or from the bottom also, but you will get same answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Is there any doubt to anybody for in the first section mein?
No.
No.
Okay, so next section 2. So section 2. Yes, section 2. It is now area. Can you tell me area? Width is how much? Width is 10 mm. 10. And depth of the only section 2. Only section 2 depth is how much?
128.
128. So 1280 mm square. Next, x2. x2 means along horizontal direction. What is the total width of the in the horizontal direction?
10 meters.
10 by 2. 10 by 2. That is equal to 5 mm.
5.
Then y direction, y2. So CG of this one, that is 128 by 2, but I want from the reference axis. Reference axis means this axis. So here to here, how much it is? 10 plus. So this total depth is how much? 128 divided by 2. 128 divided by 2. That is equal to how much you will get? 64, 74. Is it correct? 74?
Yes.
Yes. Next, section 3. Section 3. So now section 3 is this bottom plate. So bottom plate is having length area A3 is equal to width is how much? 75. 75 into what is the depth? 10 mm.
10
So
mm.
750 mm square.
Yes, sir.
Then x2, x3 along horizontal direction. How much is the width? Total width? 75. 75 divided by 2. So that is equal to 37.5.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, y2. Oh, sorry, y3. Y3 is equal to along y direction. How much it is?
10 by
10 by 2. It is equal to 5
5.
mm. Okay. Next, centroid. Centroid. Okay. What is the formula for centroid?
Summation.
X bar is equal to. Tell me.
Summation of
A,
A.
summation of AX by
AX
summation of
divided by summation of A. So how many plates are there here? How many
3.
sections? 3.
sir.
A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 divided by A1 plus
A1 plus
A2
A2
plus
plus
A3. So you have to substitute and you will get the answer. So A1 is 720. 720 into x1 30 plus A2 1280 into x2 is 5 mm 5 plus A3 750 into x3 37.5 divided by whole answer, that is 720 plus 1280 plus 750. So you will get answer x bar is equal to 24.409. 24.409 mm. Okay, you can calculate afterwards also, but you will get this much answer. Is it clear? X bar. Is there anyone who is having any doubt? Yes. Okay. Y bar. Can you tell me the formula for Y bar?
Summation of AY by summation of A.
Summation of A.
AY. Okay. A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus A3 Y3
A1.
divided by some A1 plus A2 plus A3. Okay. So this is what is A1? Same. 720 into what is the Y1? Y1 is 144. 144. Then plus A2 is 1280 into Y2 is 74 plus A3 750 into Y3 is 5 divided by total 720 plus 1280 plus 750. So you will get Y bar is equal to 73.5. 73.5 mm. So these are the answers for X bar and Y bar. Yes. Is there any doubt? Is it clear?
Sir. Yes.
Tell me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. किसका doubt है? Yes. If you don't have any doubt, you can write down now.
Sir,
हाँ.
X bar का आंसर 20.40 आया है मेरा.
Yes, correct. Yes, you are good. Very good. X bar answer is 20, correct. Yes, I have 20.409. Yes, very good. मैंने गलती लिखा 20.049, 20.409, correct?
Yes, sir.
20.409, 409. $20.409, correct. Yes, Y bar is 73.5 is correct. This is correct. Yes, I will take attendance now. You can copy it. Roll number 6. $16, $18, $19, $20, $22, $31, $33, $52, $61. Okay, absent numbers 6, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 31, 33, 52, 61.
Sir, 20 is present.
33 is present. 33.
33 is present. Okay.
20 present.
20 is present. Okay. Then absent numbers 6, 16, 18, 19, 22, 31, 52, 61. Okay. Is it completed?
सर इसमें X bar and Y bar शो करके दिखाइए.
हाँ, ओके, वेरी गुड. देखो X bar आंसर कितना है?
20.
20. X bar is equal to 20.49. ओके. हाँ, सी. सो इधर से इधर कितना है?
तो उसका रिमेनिंग आएगा सर उसका एक.
सर एक मिनट. इधर से इधर कितना है? ये प्लेट 10 है. 10 में मुझे कितना चाहिए? 20.40 है. सो इट विल बी ऑलमोस्ट इधर तक रहता. ओके, दिस इज ओके अलोंग X डायरेक्शन. Y डायरेक्शन में कितना है? 73.5 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रेफरेंस एक्सिस. दिस x एक्सिस इज द रेफरेंस एक्सिस. 73 चाहिए. सो दिस इज टोटल 128 इधर है. सो दिस इज 10. इट मींस 138 हो गया. सो इट विल बी ऑलमोस्ट इधर से इधर तक आएगा. दिस इज Y bar, दिस इज X bar. सो आई विल ड्रॉ. So these are the axes. This is one axis and this is another axis. Okay, so erase this on. Okay, now you can write this one is Y bar and this one is X bar. X bar is from here to here. Okay, and Y bar is from here to here. So this is your CG. समझ में आया? How to look at?
Approximately लिया है क्या?
हाँ, approximately because I have not drawn up to the scale, correct ना? It is approximately I have done. If you are drawn with respect to scale, then you have to look at with respect to scale only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is the way you have to locate its centroid. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
This is little bit different. You just draw it. All of you draw this one. Here he has given axis directly. With respect to the given axis, you have to draw the figure. Yes, you have to draw with respect to your freehand sketch. This is semicircular. This is a semicircle you have to take. So here he has given this is y axis, this is x axis. You have to locate its centroid. Okay, the radius of this figure is given. Okay, the radius is 2 meter. R is equal to 2 meter. Okay, this total. So this is different. This is different, and its height is given. So this is 6 meter, 6 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meter. Okay. So this is semicircle. Semicircle is having radius of 2 meter. Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have 5 minutes. Very fast. I will complete this one. Okay. All of you concentrate. Don't take down anything. So this is it a simple plain figure or it is a composite figure?
Composite.
It is composite, which is made up of more than two different sections. So I will look at one by one. So I will take this is first section, section 1. Okay. So I will take this is section 2. I will take this is section 3. Okay. So first one I will write it section solution. Okay. So what is section 1? What is that one? Semicircle. Okay. For your understanding, I am writing all these things. Okay. Okay. First one. What is the area for the semicircle? Pi r square by 2. Pi r square divided by 2. Everyone, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pi r is given 2 square divided by 2. So the answer will be 6.28. 283 square meter. All of you check it. Everyone, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, see, whenever you are moving in the positive direction, you will take positive x-axis. Correct now? Whenever it is moving in negative x direction, then it will be x. See, for the first section, semicircle, the figure is it towards the left hand direction or right hand direction from the y-axis? It is left side, na?
Yes.
Okay. So if at all you have taken your reference axis at the leftmost corner, then it will be plus or plus you should have written, but you have written at the center. Okay, it means it left of the center, that is your reference axis. इसके लिए मैंने minus लिखते. Is it okay, everyone? Minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the centroidal axis? what is the x bar formula?
सर इसका
एक
0
मिनट।
आएगा ना?
एक मिनट,
D/2 R/2.
yes, all of you. So what is x bar? See, whenever
Diameter
the
upon
semicircle is
2.
given like this, okay, so if this is your reference axis I say, so total is, it is here कितना रहता, रेडियस रहता था, अभी y bar y डायरेक्शन में जाने का है, इधर से फ्रॉम द इट इज सेमी सर्कल से इधर से इधर है तो 4r/3 करेक्ट है ना?
Yes sir.
ओके, सी अभी मैंने x1 फाइंड आउट करने का है, फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल टू दिस साइड जाने का है. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 4r/3
Yes sir.
4r/3
Yes, sir.
3 pi. So 4 minus 4r. What is the r value? 2 meter.
2 meter.
R 2 divided by 3 into pi. 3 into pi. So you will get answer, it is minus 0.8488 8488 meter. Then y1 is moving upward direction, that is positive y direction, correct? So what is the total? See, it is in y direction. So total is how much it is? From here to here it is 2r, correct? 2r divided by r, 2, that is will be r. That will be r. That is equal to 2 meter. Is it understood everyone? See,
तो वो अभी y1 नहीं आया.
एक मिनट, इधर देखो सब लोग. So this is semi circle, full circle. सर्कल का है तो एरिया क्या है? पाई r स्क्वायर, करेक्ट? x1 क्या है? x1 मींस इधर से इधर तक, the CG of the circle from the reference axis से कितना आता था? टोटल इज 2r रहता, that will be r. From here से y पर कितना आता था? y1, that is r आता था, करेक्ट? अभी मेरा है क्या है? इधर से सेमी सर्कल है, so x डायरेक्शन कितना आता था? टोटल 2r है, so that is only r, 2r by r. Then y डायरेक्शन में r है, but CG is at the 4r/3. This is y. Okay, then when your semicircle is in this direction, okay, so you know a is equal to pi r square by 2. Then your x bar and y bar you have to calculate. X bar is from this point you are calculating, correct? Semicircles. So that
Yes,
is from here to here it is x is equal to 4r/3 pi. Okay, then y bar you have to calculate. So total is how much it is? 2r by 2. That is 2r by 2 is equal to r. That's what I have taken. X1 is equal to minus 4r/3 pi and y1 is equal to r. Is it clear everyone? Yes.
Confusion होता है sir.
Confusion
Yes
है?
sir.
Okay. Next, section 2. What is section 2? Section 2 is
सर
rectangle.
मतलब वो y1 वो पूरे हाफ सेशन का लेना है क्या, जितना हमें दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में उतने का?
हाँ, टोटल सेमी सर्कल का क्या रहता? टोटल डायमीटर रहता ना, डायमीटर डिवाइड बाय 2.
यस सर.
डायमीटर डिवाइड बाय 2 रहता. So section 2 का a2 कितना है रहता? b into d. What is b? 6 meter into what is depth? 4 meter. So 6 into 4 is 24 square meter. Then x2. What is x2? X2 you have to calculate from the reference axis. Along x direction it is 6 meter by 2, that is 3 meter. Then y2 is equal to along y direction it is 4 meter. Rectangle is 4 by 2. 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 meter. Okay, next. So what is your third section? Triangle. Okay, what is the area of the triangle?
BH
Of base into height. Okay, so third section Sir, 5 minutes. Correct.
Already is too late.
Triangle.
Because I have finished syllabus within time.
Triangle. So for the triangle, what is the area? Half base into height. Okay. So half base is how much? It is 3 into height is how much? 4. So it will be 6 square meter. Correct. Next, x2, x3. X3 is from the reference axis you have to calculate. From this to this much, how much it is already? 6 meter high. So this is already plus. From this point to this point, the CG is here. Okay, what is this distance only? B by 3? B by 3, correct na?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is 3 upon 3. That is equal to 7 meter.
Yes,
Then
sir.
y3. Y3 is along y direction. Total it is 4 meter.
4 meter.
H by 3. That is 7 by 3. Okay. You will get 7 by 3 is equal to how much it is? Okay. You can write. No, it is 4 meter. 4 meter.
4 by 3.
4 by 3. Correct. 4 by 3.
Yes,
So
sir. 4 by 3.
Finally, you can calculate x bar and y bar.
1.3.
So x bar and y bar. So that is, you can write summation of ax divided by summation of a. So here a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Okay. Here you can substitute wherever the value is minus only substitute karne ka. So its answer will be direct line will be 2.995 meter x bar, and y bar will be summation of a y divided by summation of a, that is equal to you will get 1.89. Okay, these are the answers. Just take the screenshot. Okay, you can calculate these two answers in your home.
Okay.
So okay, remaining thing we will calculate. So those who have not shown your notebooks, you just mail your notebook to. नहीं तो कल
उसे वो पीला करो ना सर वो बॉक्स.
We'll do one thing. Tomorrow I will take one extra class. Okay, I will check your notebook also.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Is it okay, everyone?
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Tomorrow don't miss it. Is very important. I will complete entire this chapter. I will take 3 to 4 hours. I will complete this one. Okay. So we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. So just take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
I will stop now. Okay. Thank you all.